Hey everyone, Spencer here from Side by Side Fury. First off, we want to take a moment to be completely transparent with you, our valued customers and writing community. Over the past year, we've faced some unexpected legal challenges that we want to address head on. Unfortunately, we discovered that a former employee, who is now a convicted felon, was embezzling money from the company. While this was a difficult situation, we took swift legal action to protect the integrity of our business. On top of that, many of you may remember our Deadpool-themed machine giveaway, which was awarded to Mary T. from Oklahoma on December 31st, 2023. Tragically, Mary passed away before she could take possession of the machine. Despite our best efforts, neither her family nor her estate came forward, which led to necessary legal proceedings. We also ran into issues with our previous marketing company. After realizing they weren't delivering on the services we were paying for, we ended our partnership, which resulted in a legal dispute. We understand that these legal matters may have caused confusion or frustration, and for that, we truly apologize. However, we're excited to move forward and focus on what we do best, serving you and the off-road community with integrity and passion. With that in mind, we're thrilled to announce that we're redoing the machine giveaway with this incredible 2021 Polaris XP4 Ultimate. The giveaway will take place at an in-house event on Saturday, August 23rd. Here's how it works. Only in-store purchases will qualify for entries. You'll receive one entry for every dollar spent starting January 1st, 2025. No matter how big or small your purchase is, it counts towards entries, whether you're picking up a set of riding gloves or purchasing a new machine or investing in a full machine build. Every dollar gives you a shot at winning. And that's not all. We're excited to share some other big news as well. Side by Side Fury is officially adding Suzuki to our powersports lineup. This expansion means even more options for you when it comes to reliable, performance-driven machines. We can't wait to offer you a wider range of vehicles and services as we continue to grow. We're excited to put these challenges behind us and continue to stand by our core values of honesty, integrity, and top-notch customer service. We can't wait to see you at the giveaway event and look forward to many more great rides and adventures ahead.
Run.